Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So we are back today at CVS for the start of a brand new CVS sales ad. So we're going to go over all the new deals that we have going on this week. There are quite a few. They're pretty decent this week. I'm actually kind of excited for this week, and I'm also excited for next week because I feel like we are going to get even more digital coupons that make some of the stuff in the ad hopefully even better next week or just different next week. It does have some promising things in the ad. When I was going through the ad and prepping for my live stream, my Saturday live stream, I was like, wow, there's a lot of good stuff. And even if we don't get digital coupons this week, if we get them next week, there'll be some exciting things that we can do. Let me know down below how your guys' holiday weekend went. How was your Thanksgiving? Did you guys do Black Friday shopping? If you did you go in store anywhere, or were you just online shopping? Are you still on online shopping this weekend? And if so, like, what sites are you shopping on? What Black Friday and Cyber Monday weekend sales have you guys thought were really good? Because there's a lot of hit and misses. I've been doing just a little bit. Like, I'm really into buying like more high quality clothing that's like 100% cotton. So I've been looking at different sites that I really like and buying pieces that I know are going to last me a really long time. I've been buying some bakeware that's on sale that like never goes on sale. I shopped on Staub for like a new Dutch oven. What else did I get? I got some 100% cotton clothing from COS. They had a Black Friday sale, and just like some more low-key things. I got a appliance. I don't want to spoil it because I don't know if my sister watches my YouTube videos, but I got an appliance for my sister. That was a really good deal. I actually got it on TikTok Shop, and it was like dirt cheap with stacking coupon codes. So if you guys ever, I don't know if you've ever like shopped the sales on TikTok Shop, but a lot of times they're actually cheapest there. So I did a little bit of shopping on TikTok Shop, and I'm really curious what you guys did Cyber Monday and Black Friday weekend shopping for, if anything, because I'll definitely have to check it out if the sale's still going on. I feel like nowadays they kind of extend the Black Friday Cyber Monday weekend into the next week, so definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I'm very curious. And with all that being said, let's get into the deals this week. Confirming that the small 3-ounce Gold Bond is included in the buy one get back a $5 extra buck deal, so that's really exciting. Of course, my store is sold out, but you can grab one of these at my store. They're $6.29. You'd pay that, get back your $5 extra buck, making it just $1.29, and these may be priced lower at your store. Okay, so the Eucerin lotion for the 5-ounce bottles, they're $7.79 and spend $20, get back a $10 extra buck. So depending on what Ibotta rebates you have and how your store is priced, it may be a deal worth doing for you. You can grab 3 of those, totaling $23.37, and use a $3 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $20.37, earning back that $10 extra buck. And then you can submit to Ibotta. My Ibotta had $1 back on each one, so I would get $3 back for buying 3 of them, making my final cost just $7.37 for all 3. But you may have higher value $2 rebates, and that would make it a way better deal. The Irish Spring and Soft Soap Body Wash are buy one get one 40% off, and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 soft soaps at $6.59, totaling $10.54, and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon that we have. You'd be left to pay $6.54, earning back that $4 extra buck, makes your final cost $2.54 for 2 bottles. Okay, next we're going to get into a spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck scenario. So what you're going to do is pick up 3 of the Olay body wash at $6.99 and 1 of the Dove Men Plus Care at $8.99, totaling $29.96. So your store would have to participate in the 98% rule to do this scenario for the spend 30, get 10. And then you're going to use a 5 off 3 digital coupon for the Olay and a $3 off digital coupon for the Dove Men Plus Care. So you'd be left to pay $21.96, earning back your $10 extra buck, would make your final cost for all 4 body washes $11.96. If you do have a P&G PG Good every day, or not PG Good every day, pgbrandsaver.com. It used to be called that. Now it's called pgbrandsaver.com. $5 OTC payment from submitting your receipts and earning the reward. You can definitely use that since you're getting Olay products that are P&G. $11.96 is a great deal for 4 body wash, and make sure to also check your Fetch rewards because I know there are some point rebates for Olay. If your store carries the Miss Meyer's Holiday Edition hand soaps, grab 2 of them at $6.89. These are buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So for 2, you'd pay $13.78. You'd earn back that $4 extra buck, and then you can submit to Inbox Dollars for $5 back on 2 of those, making your final cost after extra buck and Inbox Dollars rebate just $4.78 for 2 of them, which is a great deal. I'll have Inbox Dollars linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comments. You can get a $5 bonus. The Neutrogena makeup wipes, the 25 count, are $6.99 and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 totaling $13.98. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon and a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT if you have it. You'd be left to pay $6.98, earning back your $4 extra buck would make 2 of them just $2.98 or just $1.49 each. The Neutrogena acne products are spend 15, get back a $7 extra buck. So if your store participates in the 98% rule, you can grab the acne patches at $14.99, use a $3.50 off digital coupon and a 3 off 10 Neutrogena CRT if you have it. You'd be left to pay $8.49, earning back that $7 extra buck would make your final cost for this just $1.49. Okay, now a deal if you want to bundle the acne and the wipes deal. Grabbing the acne patches at $14.99 and 2 of the wipes at $8.29, either the Night Calming or the Hydra Boost, totaling $31.57. You can use a $3.50 digital for the patches and a 4 off 2 digital for the wipes, along with a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT if you have it. You'd be left to pay $19.07, but you'd earn back $11 in extra bucks, 7 for the acne and 4 for the wipes. And you can submit for the Activate Rewards rebate for when you spend 30 before coupon on select Johnson & Johnson branded items, including Neutrogena. You earn back a $10 Visa card. So after the $11 in extra bucks and $10 Activate Rewards, which I'll have linked in the description box down below, it'll make all 3 of these products a $1.93 moneymaker. We did just get a $5 digital coupon for L'Oreal facial care, so you could grab the toner at $8.59, and using that would make it just $3.59, or you could also use it on some of the cheaper priced cleanser products. Okay, the Burt's Bees skincare, buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck, so grab 2 at $3.89 and use a $1 digital coupon that we have. You'd be left to pay $6.78, earning back your $3 extra buck, and that would make 2 of the masks just $3.78. EcoTools and Real Techniques are spend 15, get back a $10 extra buck. So one way you could do it is grabbing this brush set for $15.49. You'd pay that, earn back your $10 extra buck, making it just $5.49. Or there's this brush set for $14.99 with the 98% rule. It would be just $4.99 after the $10 extra buck back. Neutrogena makeup are spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab one of the mascaras at $11.49 and use a $3 digital coupon that we just got for that. You pay $8.49, earn back the $5 extra buck, and that's going to make one of the Neutrogena mascaras just $3.49. Maybelline products are buy 2, get back a $5 extra buck, so you can grab 2 of the Maybelline single eyeshadows at $4.99 each, totaling $9.98, and use the $4 instant CRT that we got from Maybelline. You pay $5.98, get back your $5 extra buck, and that would make 2 of these eyeshadows just 98 cents. Another way that you can do the deal is grabbing 2 of the baby lips at $5.79 instead, totaling $11.58, and after the $4 CRT, you'd pay $7.58. Earning back that $5 extra buck would make 2 of these just $2.58. Heads up that Tweezerman products are buy 1, get back a $5 extra buck, and some stores do carry the 3-count nail files at $7.49. So if your store does carry those, you'd pay $7.49, making them just $2.49 after the extra buck. Okay, let's get into another spend 30, get back a $10 extra buck scenario, grabbing one of the Tide Liquid at $14.99, one of the small Tide Liquid at $6.99, and one of the Dove Men Plus Care Body Wash at $8.99, totaling $30.97. You can use a high-value $5 digital for the large Tide Liquid, a $1 digital for the small Tide Liquid, and a $3 for the Dove, and you'd be left to pay $21.97, earning back your $10 extra buck, makes all 3 just $11.97, and you can also use a PG Brand Saver OTC payment if you have one. The bigger Gain products are on sale for 2 for $15 this week. I love it when the sale comes around. Included are the large Gain liquids, the Gain flings, the Gain fabric softener, some of the beads, and the dryer sheets. So one way you could do it is grabbing one of the liquid and one of the fabric softener, totaling $15, and we have coupon 24 coupons for $2 off of the Gain liquid and $2 off of the fabric softener. So with those 2 coupon 24 digitals, you'd be left to pay just $11 for 2 big Gain products, or just $5.50 each. A bunch of the different Total Home products are, again, this ad buy 1 get 1 free. Included are the 2 equals 4 rolls of the Total Home paper towels, so that's a really great deal. Also included are the trash bags. You could grab 2 of the 2-count trash bags, the 2 roll, at $20.39. 2 of them would total $20.39, and after using a 4 off 20 Total Home CRT, it would be just $16.39 for 4 rolls of Total Home trash bags, or 180 bags total. And also included are the storage bags for Total Home, some of the food storage, including aluminum pans, the plastic Tupperware, and the aluminum foil and parchment paper as well. The Colgate toothpaste are on sale for $3.99, and they're buy 2, get back a $3 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $7.98 and use a 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'd be left to pay $3.98, earning back that $3 extra buck. Would make your final cost for 2 of them 98 cents or 49 cents each. Another oral care deal that you can do is grabbing 3 of the Crest 3D Whites. The toothpaste are on sale for $3.99 each, and buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. And then with that, you're going to grab 1 of the Gum Detoxify at $10.99 and 1 of the Brilliance at $10.99 that are spend 15, get back a $7 extra buck. So these 5 toothpastes total $33.95. You can use a 5 off 25 Crest CRT and a 5 off 3 for the cheaper toothpaste. And then in coupon 24, clip a $5 off 1 coupon for the Gum Detoxify and a 5 off 1 for the Brilliance. And you'd be left to pay $13.95, but then you'd earn back a total of $12 in extra bucks for the 2 extra care book deals, making all 5 toothpaste just $1.95. The Gillette and Venus regular razors are buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back an $8 extra buck. So what you can do is grab one of the Mach 3 razors that are $12.89. That will be the full price item. And then one of the Venus 3 razors at $12.89. That'll be your half off item. So 2 would total $19.33 for both of these. And we have a $3 digital for the Gillette and a separate $3 digital for the Venus. So you'd be left to pay $13.33, earning back your $8 extra buck makes the 2 of them just $5.33. And check your store's prices because your store may have them priced cheaper and it may be an even better deal for you. If you'd rather get the cartridges, you can also do that deal instead. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and buy 2, get back a $10 extra buck. So grab the 4 count of the Mach 3 at $17.29 and then the Venus 3 4 count at $17.29 as well, totaling $25.93. These are attaching to the same $3 digital for the Gillette and the $3 digital for the Venus. We do have $5 digitals, but they're attaching to the more expensive cartridge packs, not the cheaper ones. So using those 2 $3 digitals, you'd be left to pay $19.93. Earning back your $10 extra buck would make 2 of the refill packs just $9.93. If your store carries the 8 count of the Tums Chewy Bites at $3.89, grab 2 of them, totaling $7.78. You'll earn back a $5 extra buck on 2, making 2 of them just $2.78. Okay, so select of the gift cards are spend $75, get back a $15 extra buck. That is a really great deal. It comes along every once in a while, and I especially like doing it around the holidays so I can stock up on gift cards and earn back some extra bucks to give as gifts, and use the extra bucks for my couponing, of course. Included this week are the Applebee's, the Lowe's, Fandango, GameStop, Bath & Body Works, and again, the Zillions. And check your store for any more that are tagged. You can grab those as well. The Honey Bunches of Oats are on sale for $1.99, so grab 2 of them at $3.98. You're going to pay that, and then you'll earn back $1 on 2 on Ibotta, making 2 boxes just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Okay, getting into my receipts, I did 3 transactions rolling extra bucks. This first one, I grabbed the EcoTools brush set at $15.49. I used $16 in extra bucks to pay, so I sacrificed like 51 cents of my extra bucks, but that was fine, and then earned back my $10 extra buck. So that made the net cost just $5.49. Next, I roll that $10 extra buck into the Colgate and the soft soap. I used my $4 off 2 digitals for the soft soap and the Colgate, and then used my $10 in extra bucks from transaction 1. And I paid like 50 cents subtotal after those, and then earned back $7 in extra bucks. So this transaction was a net cost of just like $3.50, a really good out of pocket for getting those 4 items. And then finally, for my last transaction, I did the buy one, get one free paper towels at $5.49, and then I threw in the baby lips as well, so I didn't waste any extra bucks. I used my $4 Maybelline CRT for the baby lips, and used my $7 in extra bucks, and paid just a little bit of change for all 3 of those items. I hope you guys enjoyed this CVS deals video. If you did, please leave this video a like and a comment with your favorite deal in the comment section down below, and I will catch you next week.